Hey everybody, this is Sean Michael Lewis, and today I'm doing an update for the Super Nintendo Challenge. Hey, look, not many of you have commented yet, and I've got a couple days left. I am going to be picking a winner this Friday for the Classic Super Nintendo. Hey, the link to the YouTube video is in this message, wherever you're seeing it right now. So make sure you go to that link, which is the YouTube channel, leave a comment of one thing you're going to stop doing, an old school technique, and one new thing that you're going to be doing. And hey, I'm going to pick a winner, and they're going to win this brand new Super Nintendo Classic Edition. This is authentic by Nintendo, and it's probably like 80, 90 bucks. So what do you have to lose? Get there. This is good for you. And this is one thing, you know, I started this video thing over 20 days ago, and I can't tell you the impact that it's having. So it's all about consistency. So look, if you're thinking about something, go write it down on there, because guess what? I'm going to even hold you accountable. Whatever I see on there, I want to stay engaged with all of y'all that are putting things on there. So again, one thing you're going to give up, one thing you're going to start doing, and you have a chance to win. Look at all the games that are preloaded in this thing. So super awesome. So hope you guys are doing well. Go ahead and do that today. And don't forget to subscribe when you go to the YouTube channel as well. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.